Hello friends, here's wishing you all a very happy new year. May God bless you with health, abundance, peace and prosperity. Ravneet Bhalla welcomes you to this health focused community. So let us begin the new year on a sweet note with Gajar Burfi or carrot Burfi with my healthy twists. This does not use Khoya or mawa or even condensed milk, but the Burfi is loaded with good fats and fiber. One piece of this burfi is enough to satiate your sweet cravings. So, without further ado, let's get right into the recipe to make guilt-free winter sweet with carrot. I have soaked half cup of cashews for 3 hours. Now let's make cashew milk with soaked cashews. If you don't want to add cashews, you can add almond milk as well. And if you don't want to add any nuts, you may use dairy milk as well. Now to make cashew milk, you will need to add 1 cup of water to half cup of soaked cashews. Blend it all together until you get a creamy cashew milk consistency. Remove from the mixer grinder, and now in the same grinder add 4 sliced carrots and pearls. See, you do not need to grate carrot here. It's quite easy and simple. You can make carrot burfi easily without the hassle of grinding carrots. Now let's cook carrots with cashew milk and green cardamom powder. I always dry roast spices first and turn them to powder. Keep your spices and powders in the refrigerator to retain their aroma. Mix, cover and cook on a low flame. When the carrots have cooked well and soaked most of the moisture from cashew milk, add 1 cup of almond powder or almond meal. Mix and cook on medium flame. Keep checking in between. Now let's add 1 cup of jaggery powder. Keep stirring. Mix and cook on medium flame. Keep stirring. Let's stir in 2 tablespoons of ghee. My mom calls this step as tempering of the carrot halwa, which gives it a beautiful texture. You may use coconut oil instead to make it a completely vegan carrot berry recipe. Cook. Just before turning off the flame, add half cup of roasted poha powder, flattened rice flakes, and mix everything well. Your gajar burfi dough will come together. Cook for a couple of minutes more. It's time to turn off the flame and shape the dough into stars. Yes, you may give any shapes of choice. You may choose to decorate your kaju burfi with pistachios, slivered pistachios, almonds, or nuts and seeds of choice. Enjoy!